Drop it.
Sup, team?
Good afternoon, team. How we doing?
Prince City!
Another good day. Another good day, and the best team in the world over here, dude.
We're
These
just doing
traffic
phenomenal
lights are
things.
they're so filthy. You just sit back, relax, watch the traffic lights come through, and boom.
That's right. It's happening!
Mm-hmm.
Good afternoon, Tori, Gerald, Phoenix. What's going on? What's going
Gabe, something funny happened on Twitter.
Oh, please do share.
So when you tweeted out your live link this morning, I was like, yeah, 10 to 300K is no joke. And then somebody comments under that. They go, "Are you talking about AMC?" And I was like, absolutely not. That's Gabe's small account with our strategy. I was like, bro, come on now. I was like, really?
Wow. Okay. So I have to ask this question. Has AMC simply just become a parody of people? Or do people actually believe in the shit that's coming out of their mouths? Because if they do, their asshole must be jealous. So, I mean, it's... I can't. I just can't. All right. Good afternoon, guys. I hope you guys appreciated the live streams earlier from STV and myself. And let's see. Oh, I like that. Cash, Coke, ankles, stocks, and hookers.
I like that.
I like that a lot. I'm writing this down.
We should make that a t-shirt.
Yes.
That's fucking dope, Jimmy. I like that.
Oh, shit. Holy fuck.
Guys, also make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in over here. We're going to be on for a little while. We might do some call-ins today. And remember, guys, all you guys filtering in, everybody gets access to 2 weeks for free. And in order to get the masterclass that we've been talking about all week and get live access to every one of them and beta access to the new products that we're releasing, make sure you reach out to Diana before 4 p.m. today because she'll be able to help you upgrade your membership to the 3-year. Gabe, I think that's the best bang for your buck, too. Because you get, 19 months or 36 months for the cost of 19, and you get live masterclass and beta access, and you just pay it up front?
Yeah, I mean, we could go ahead and really just take a look at it here. You know, we have the pricing, which includes obviously all this training. And shout out to Andy who got the live stream from this morning on over to our content portal. So go ahead and check that out. But $69 over 2 years is $24.84. Excuse me, over 3 years. And then the 3-year program is $13.48, and you gain access to masterclass and early access to new features, which
we have a few.
Yes, which includes the 1-minute traffic light alert coming soon.
Very soon.
Right. Is TQQQ banned from platform? Why would it be?
Jack the Ripper, go watch the live stream on Gabe's channel called Let's Burn Some Bridges. That explains the entire situation.
Yeah. Short Crusher. Everybody wants to know if you waxed your punching bag yet.
My punching bag? My ankle? Oh, are you talking about...
Your scrotums. So, when are we going to show some ankles? When are we shaving ankles?
We can do. I thought we were going to plan this out. We could do a trip soon.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Perfect. Yes, we're going to do the trip. And then I'm gonna shave your ankles to some Alfred Hitchcock music in the back. It's just so suspenseful.
That's fine. We got to film it too.
Did I say Hitchcock? I mean Hitchcock.
Hitchcock.
See, I'm so caught up in this fucking game here. Hedgies are fucked. Yeah, right. Okay. All right.
The only people that are fucked are the people not using the traffic lights.
Dude, new traffic lights are just filthy. Um, what did you play today?
Okay, this is actually a good. This is good. So I actually my first trade of the day was a loser on SPY. So if you look at the 1 minute on SPY, I was looking at playing the retest off of. So it looked like at the time it was flashing a 1 minute traffic light. So I was like, oh, I'll just play the retest on a potential bounce to the upside. And at that point, I used the 200 EMA as my risk. So you see it come down, touch that 13. That's where I started getting some contracts. It ends up getting a closing candle down below, and I'm out. Then I played Tesla twice, down then up. Then I played SPY and AMD, both winners. So the only loser that I had today was on the first trade of the day on SPY. Then everything
All
else
right,
was
let's look at that trade really quickly. I was trying to play catch up here because I feel like we can learn a lot more from our losers than our winners, right? So, do you have a timestamp on that spy trade? Are you talking about this traffic light right before open?
So no, it actually so it looks like when you look at this traffic light to the downside there, when price starts to move back up, it's flashing a traffic light to the upside. So when it's flashing that traffic light to the upside, what I said was, okay, it looks like it's going to get the traffic light. I'm not going to chase it up at that candle. When it came back down and touched that 13, that's where I started to enter.
This one here. Let's zoom
Yes.
in. Right
Yes.
there at 9:35.
Yeah. So then it came back down. I just used the 200, the 1 minute 200 as my risk, closing candle down below there, and I was out quick.
Perfect. And then he could have reestablished the position put side.
I could have. I didn't, but I could have. I just didn't
Yeah.
want to chase it down because there wasn't like an actionable traffic light. So I was like, I'm just going to leave it.
Okay.
But this is why we teach you guys to manage risk in the way that we do. Because what would have happened if I hesitated and held that position for a little bit longer than I should have? I would have been fucked. So that's why we like to teach you guys how to that risk management video. Perfect.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. So, I like this. I like this. So, basically, uh which is interesting though because if you had a traffic light that was flashing but it didn't actually print, otherwise it would have showed here. I don't see.
Yeah, it didn't fully print, but it was flashing. So I just said I'll play it off the retest.
So you played off the bounce on the 13. Okay.
That's what I was expecting. I was expecting a retest of the 13 or the 200 and a bounce. That's kind of why I was looking at using the 200 as my risk, because as soon as it cracked below, I was like, all right, the trade's done.
Okay. Well, STB, I'm going to get on you now. I'm going to get on you.
Do it.
So, if you saw flashing, if you waited for candle close and got that light, but then still got the retracement, you would have also then gotten a follow-up candle that would have prepared you for the put to the downside. Oh.
Well, I
Right.
wouldn't have taken the put. I wouldn't have taken the put there because
All right.
that one wasn't because you saw the put in the basically right at open or in pre-market. So I wasn't getting in on that put. I was looking for the move to the upside.
Yeah, you were looking for it.
Well, it was really I was looking at if you look at on the 5 minute too, you have that the 5 minute 200 basically at like 408.25, which is right at it's effectively 408.50. So I was like, okay, well, you could easily see that move up there. I think that loss was like 6% or something.
Okay, well, not too bad. Not too bad. Oh, okay, yeah, I see it. Got it. Okay. All right. Huh. Well, guys, that's a loss. So I'm not going to harp on STV because he has impeccable risk management, right? But if STV would have just waited for another traffic light to actually confirm, that would have probably changed the dynamic of his whole entire trade, right? But the thing was that he was going for glory, and that's fine. He's young; he can do that. Okay. But the thing is, if he was going to fuck around, he needed to make sure he wasn't going to find out.
Exactly.
Risk management. So kudos to him. And then did you make another reentry?
I played SPY. There was a traffic light to the downside on the SPY later after I hit the Tesla and AMDs. That one was the SPY move that I hit was like 30%, I think. Where I'll tell you the time. It was
10:41.
Yeah, it was that one.
Perfect. Okay,
That
so
one was
let's break down this trade for you guys because The anatomy of this one is
Oh, this
actually
is
kind of
perfect.
filthy.
Yeah, so I played the 200 EMA retest.
That's all he did. That is all he did. Remember, guys, if you get price action too far away from the 13, right, you want to see if there's a level from a 200 or the 48 that can act as one, your risk, and a level of resistance in this case because it's coming on down, right?
Mhm.
So this isn't a bad entry. Even if you got it on the retrace, it came right back to the 200. Not a bad entry. Confirms a put. He takes it to the downside 30%. So ain't mad at you on that trade. Hell
You should
no.
see the Tesla. You should see the Tesla one. That remember when I texted you the I'm hunting Tesla calls? That was a fun one. That's the only thing I did on Spy today. Those two trades, and then the other three were two Teslas and one AMD. The AMD
Okay.
was quick though.
Got you. Got you. I think we played Tesla approximately the same. This one's at 9:55 right before I came on stream. So I actually played this rejection
That's the
or
one that I
actually the
took.
bounce off the 200.
Yeah, that's what I took.
Okay, that's what you took as well. So guys, let me break down my logic, and this is probably going to be STV's logic as well.
Mhm.
So basically, what happened here was we had price come down to a level, and then we had a bounce, and it recaptured the 200. I go ahead and I wait for a retracement, right? Well, here's the deal. You get a nice solid wick back down here. You don't have to enter. You wait for the RSI to show green here, right? So this area right here was your area of uncertainty. You get the wick down, it comes right back up, you jump in, you got RSI. Now, this is what happens, right? Once you get the candle break above the 200, now you've established new risk. That is your level of risk here.
Mhm.
Once you get the next candle up, now you've established the 48 and the 13 as your risk, but now you have these two levels providing much stronger support. Obviously, the traffic light prints, it runs, it goes. Me personally, I got out of this trade at 12% at the first sign of consolidation, which happened around here. So it was like 12% for me. Okay.
So I played this pretty similar, but like slightly different. I was looking at the same things that you were looking at with the RSI and everything like that. But the one thing that really made me confident in taking that trade is I was watching the SPY like a hawk. The 1, 3, and the 5-minute RSIs were cooked. The SPY was just knifing into oblivion for really no reason.
Okay.
The thing needed to come up for air at some point, and with Tesla hovering right at that 1-minute 200 EMA, that looked like a solid entry. Like we'll play those 200 EMA bounces sometimes if everything else is starting to line up. Like the RSI on the SPY started to pick back up a little bit, and that's kind of where I entered. Same thing using the 200 as risk. They saw me do it on the live stream, but I scaled out some of it on the first big shooting candle to the upside. And when the second 1-minute candle started to shoot, I was going to then scale out a second time. But what happened was that Tesla was moving so fast that I accidentally just sold the entire position at like the top of that second candle, which is fine. I mean, I locked in a really nice gain. I just missed that little move to the upside there. But we effectively traded it the exact same way there. I just was the SPY RSI was the other thing that I was looking at.
Okay. Okay. Well, there you go, guys. There you go. And this traffic light input paid. It paid. Oh my God. Now you got a traffic light to call. All right. All right. Good trades. Good trades. What we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to open up the lines.
Let's do it.
All right. We're going to get you guys calling on in. Tell us why you're mad. Hell, if you want to talk about AMC, we'll talk about AMC. Just prepare
Talk
for the
about
burn
anything you want.
after. We'll prepare for the burn after. That's it.
Well, they need to prepare for the burn.
All right. So, guys, lines are live. 978-545-1348. Come get
Do
your.
it.
Emotional damage.
Come get some. How much does it cost to add TQQ to the platform?
I thought it was there, but Nikki keeps saying it's not there. So we got to talk to Algo and Andy about that to just get it on there.
All right, let's just get it on there. Winning losers up 7.6%.
What the fuck, bro? Why isn't it double digits? I'm just kidding. 7%
Don't
is great.
encourage
I
DGen
know.
behavior.
It was a joke.
Don't encourage DGen behavior. Jesus.
It was a joke. It was a joke.
Oh my God. I'm gonna end up
Winning-
canceling you, bro.
What?
Don't.
He's
Oh,
always
man.
up double digits, so something must have happened today where he's like, "Oh no, I'm only up 7."
Oh man, hilarious, hilarious. STV, where's Mikey? Who's Mikey?
Mikey? Oh, I don't know. He used to say some weird shit in my live chat.
Oh,
He kept wanting to try and get me to go meet him behind like a Wendy's dumpster. Kept calling me his boyfriend. I was like, this dude's got something up.
Yeah. No, we're classy now, guys. It's no longer Wendy's. It's Chipotle.
I do love me some Chipotle.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's see. Banks offering a large interest to borrow AMC. What does that indicate? Are you still holding
Who cares?
AMC?
Who cares? What? Like, cost to borrow is not relevant. When is it? The cost to borrow is shot up to like 400%.
There you
Okay,
go.
what happened? The shorts are up so much that they don't give a fuck. They're like, whatever.
There you go. Andy coming in hot on a Friday. Homework posted in Discord. 2 weeks free. Come get it. Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Guys, come on. What you waiting for? We're talking about some life-changing money, right? We could literally change your lives.
We've done it for many people.
Yes. Yes. So apparently we had a call, but it came in as a spam risk. So my line did not ring. Sorry. STV, I'll give you free Chipotle if you meet me in a dark alley. Bring some butter.
No. Did you see Arvin made another meme video of me where it's like me pretending to be a lizard person?
Okay, so Joseph Tyson asking a question. I'll check out that video, by the way. But Spy has been bouncing off support at about 400. Let's look at the Spy. Right. So we're gonna go to the 5-minute here. You said support at about 400.
I mean, that's almost $5 away. That's far.
Yeah. Joseph. No. No and no. Please don't tell me you're Joseph Burns. No, you're Joseph Tyson. Okay, yeah, $4 way too far out.
Guys, we're not blindly buying bounce like level touches. That's silly. Don't be doing that.
Oh,
Because
man.
here's what will happen. And this is something I can't stress enough to you guys. Institutions know where the key psychological levels are and the key like levels of just supported resistance. They know where they are. So here's what typically happens. Most retail traders will set buy orders right around there and they'll set their stop slightly below. What will institutions do? They will push it lower, hit your stop, use it as liquidity for them to enter, and then it comes right back up. Please do not trade the way all of these other people are trading because you're going to get fucked. Why would you? Why? This is the shit that I don't understand. If 98% of retail traders fail, why the fuck would you learn the same things and try to implement the same things as them? That's like saying, I want to lose money. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Please.
Don't do that. Okay, to answer a question, okay, well, first off, Denise, welcome. Second off, to get these charts, come on over to our platform, our beautiful platform. Invictus sleepy today. But you go ahead and you click a ticker, and now you have your options to download the chart, which is right here. You simply download the chart, and there you go. So, 1 second. What the hell? Hold on. Let's see.
Lots of chop. We could have some fun this afternoon. Yeah, we could. It's a Friday before a long weekend, though. I'd be a little careful. I'm done for the day. No more trades. It's been a fun week.
It's definitely been a fun week.
Next week's crazy too. Gabe and I were talking yesterday. It's going to be a crazy week next week. We got a lot of data coming out.
Yes, we do. Let's see. Been printing with Invictus lately. Oh, dope. Okay, so 404, we're not there yet with Spy. As it stands, I mean, this play is actually actionable on the 5 minute. But if you want to see what this candle is doing right here, because I don't like that candle set up there, we'll go to the 1 minute and see. Now, this is where it gets interesting, right? The 1 minute here, it's really, really oversold. So it could definitely just pop up and then come right back down and or pop up, continue on up, right? But I don't like this, right? It is way oversold. Ooh, look at her coming down. Okay. Going back to the 5 minutes, coming down to that 404.12. Interesting.
Mm-hmm. That 5 minute traffic light's nice. Ooh, look at that.
You got your level.
Yeah, you just blew right through one of them on the 1 minute.
On the 5 minute, let's see. Does she want some blue pills? We go to the 1 minute. She hit this level here on the 1 minute. Now, pay attention to this. You see RSI right there. Just overcooked, right? Do you want to like hang out here, fuck around and find out? Probably not. Probably not.
No. That's
Okay.
at least a nice little 10-15%er if you're trading the 5 minute with more time. At least. That's a good move.
It's a really good move. Decent move. There you go, guys. Traffic lights for the win. Okay, I gotta start paying attention to the phone here. Like, people are calling in.
Are they calling?
Let's see. Well, one of them was my brother. And then we got a wireless caller that called me 8 times.
That's a lot of calls.
No, 11 times.
That's a lot of calls.
You know what? Yeah. Next time you call, brother, I'm going to answer. But we got 9 times. Okay, this guy's just spamming. Oh, boy. Jesus. Drew Norris, I can see your chat. What's up?
Yeah,
Is
we
it
can
you
see.
calling?
Oh, pull him in. Let's talk to him.
Okay, let's call Drew.
Is not available. The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time. Goodbye.
Well, that's unfortunate.
Yeah. Oh boy, here we go. You keep calling in and then it just disconnects. So I guess hey, do we got you here? We got you here loud and clear? What's going on?
Yeah.
Hello.
Probably not.
Well, hello there,
Well, make
SUV.
sure
How are
the
you?
lights come off in the background.
Pardon, I just did. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good.
How's everybody doing?
Doing good, man. How about you?
Oh, well, I'm still trying to master these charts. So,
Nice.
so I got a question when you were talking about your earlier loss on the SPY.
Mm-hmm.
You said you bought it as a wick, come back down and touched the 13. Is that just I mean, you have some way to figure that out to set your price, or is that just
No,
close
I'm
enough?
just watching it.
You know?
I'm just watching it, and I have the strike I want pulled up. So if it comes down and touches, I just hit.
Okay. Okay.
Because with options,
right.
you can
I
have
was
a
just kind of-
general idea of what the price is going to be, but it's not going to be exact. So like if you have an order, it's you
Right,
could just
right.
not get filled. So or you could just get filled at a terrible price. And you don't want to, it's very possible that at that point too, you could have just seen a knife candle right through. So if I saw that, I just wouldn't have hit buy. But if you had a limit order there, then you're going to get filled and be fucked.
Right. So are you setting that before it gets there, or you saying buy when it gets there?
If I'm playing a retest, I'm just watching it while I have the strike I want pulled up, and if it touches and it looks good, then I'll hit it. But if I'm not going to set an order there because it can just blow right through. So in a case where it blows right through, like let's say on that second SPY trade that was a winner, if I was looking at getting it at the 200 with a confirmed traffic light, I would, if it blows right through, I'll be like, okay, well, I'll just wait for a retest of the 13.
Okay, so when you say you're looking at your strike, you're looking at the chart, or are you looking at the
You're looking at the chart. We're looking at
chart. So I have the chart on the screen. I'm watching
the
price action.
Okay.
And then I have on my phone, I have the actual order ready to go if it's going to come retest.
Right. Yeah, and that's what I've been doing, but my fingers aren't as fast as yours, I guess. So.
Yeah, it takes time.
It takes time. Anyways, all right. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you guys for all that you're doing. I'm looking forward to making something out of this. And Gabe, that video that you had going, or that stream you had going yesterday, where you were picking everything apart and showing how you went into your trades, that was just awesome. That helped me a lot. Looking at trying to get better at my entries and picking my stocks I want, or my
all right, awesome, man.
Stocks I want to do. So, but anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thanks a lot. I'll be in touch.
All right, man. Stay in touch. See you soon.
Thanks for calling in, Drew.
All right, bye.
Bye.
All right, bye.
All right, guys, I want to show you again. Did I speculate, or did I take a bit of information from what I saw here on the RSI on the 1 minute? And we had talked about it, right? This is exactly what happened. This was not speculation. This was basically observation based on chart behavior and what these indicators tell us, right? So if you played down to this level, you banked. If you got greedy and didn't pay attention to the RSI, you lost some money. You left some money out on the table there, right? These are it's just the truth here, guys. I mean, please. Your homework over the weekend, guys, is to go ahead and go through these trades and really just look at your losing trades first and foremost, right? Mm-hmm. But then look at trades. Look at all the trades, all the yellow light trades, traffic light trades, all the puts and calls, and all the levels. And I want you guys to see how everything just sort of kind of moves in harmony of one another, right? Everything at some point or another becomes synchronous, right? You just have to be patient for all the indicators to align, right? Let's see. What yesterday's stream refers to be available in the archive. It may or may not.
It should be out there, right?
It should be.
Yeah. It's just probably one of the streams on Gabe's channel from yesterday.
Yeah. John says, instead of homework, can I make videos?
You don't want to know what kind of videos John's making. You don't want to watch those.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what's interesting, bro? What is he doing? Porn?
It's a joke. It's a running joke that he's just making videos of him just getting after it with his lady.
Yeah. So, have you ever dawned on you, right? If you invite a woman to your hotel and you pay her for sex, right? That's prostitution. Mm-hmm. But if you have a camera, you're filming porn. So it's
that
no
is an interesting way to look at it.
Well, it serves as a great fucking defense.
It's true.
It's just saying.
I guess, yeah.
Cops are coming up here behind your back. No, 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 no. I got an
Look at the
iPhone.
camera. You're
I
on
got an iPhone.
camera.
Oh boy, fun stuff. Fun stuff.
I think Anders has a question for us here. So, no, the traffic lights are not on any anywhere else besides TradingView with the charts that we provide you guys and the alerts that we provide you with. But you don't need to transfer anywhere. Just you should be using our TradingView charts anyway. I will only take trades off of our TradingView charts. That's the I'll have the Webull charts up just so I can see different stocks and like where VWAP is. Like I will not take a trade if I'm not looking at the TradingView chart.
There you go. All right. Lines are open still.
Let's do it.
Let's get another call in. Let's have fun, guys. Come on.
It's a Friday. It's fuck around and find out Friday.
Fuck around and find out Friday. Yes. Yeah, you saw that parody? Yeah. I forgot where. Okay, here we go. And you are live.
7 6 5 9 9 3 3 9 4.
How are you calling me and then giving me your voicemail?
I don't know how that works.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
And you're live.
Hey Gabe, hey STV, it's Tex or DM Ohio. How you doing?
We finally got him.
Yeah, you got me.
What's up, man?
Second
How you
time
doing?
calling in. Not too bad. I just want to say that the coming in on the different levels on the retest helps out so much on options, especially playing short term. You know, I do some crazy shit, but you know, I tell my people that I work with, like, think of the levels just like the 200, like a rubber band. The further you get away, the more it wants to come back. But same thing with levels. Like when you bust a level, you go to the next rubber band. I think it helps people visualize when to get in and out.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yep.
Yeah, I like playing. One of the other reasons I like playing off levels too is if you like, let's say it's a retest of a level. I mean, when you're looking at premiums, like they're gonna deflate a little bit, and when you get those nice bounces off the level,
Exactly.
you're usually nicely green pretty quickly. Especially if you get that nice bounce or that retest. It can be the 13, it can be the 200, it can be one of our blue pill lines that we draw out for
Sure.
you guys.
I put a little more weight on the 200. Like I was playing this buy when I saw it bust below the 200 on the 1 minute. I just threw a little money on puts, and I was up 71% in like 6 minutes. But the 200 I think has more weight than some of the others, in my opinion.
Yeah, it does.
But it's not for everyone. You know, you should be buying next week's or 3 or 4 dates out. But you know, when you have just throw a little bit at it, just play with it.
Oh man. Awesome. So guys, just so you know, I'll say it here. DM is one of our like master Jedi traders in our community, and he loves futures. And we were talking yesterday. We're going to set up an appointment with a 3-way or a Zoom meeting. We're going to talk about how we can integrate futures into our platform here.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
So
next level stuff. We'll build it out, help you guys out. Good
man,
stuff.
we can
It'll
do
be
it.
fun.
That'll be fun. That'll be fun.
Futures
All
are
right,
cool.
guys. That's all I got. I wish everyone much success and have a great weekend. And I'll shout you boys later.
Thanks
You
for
too,
calling in,
DM.
bro.
See you, buddy.
All right, man. See you guys.
Take it easy.
I like to call DM our resident whale.
Yes, he's our resident whale. Yes, he's one of our master Jedi traders, and he loves his futures. And he was showing me basically the layout over at Thinkorswim, and I'm like, oh man, this is sweet. You know, obviously the tax implications are favorable for the trader, and you know you're not dealing with data, etc. No Greeks, blah blah blah. But you still have to know what the fuck you're doing, and obviously subscribe to the system. Okay. Yeah, it just works. Also, I hate to do it. But I mean, I'm just gonna. Right? Do we go back to the chart? What do we have here? We have a bounce off the level, right? And then we got a break up to 13 here. And You guys want to fuck around and find out, you could do exactly that. But I'm here to make money. And so what I'm doing is I'm identifying the most probable scenarios that are conducive to making sure I secure that bag, right? That's all I'm looking for. I really want to harp on this, guys. You don't have to make this harder than what it is, right? We talked about on the previous streams, your entries are based on 3 conditions, right? And your exits are based on 3 conditions, right? Go ahead and check out that video. It's now live in platform. Okay, make sure you recap and watch it over and over and over again. If you watch STV and myself, we don't miss. You would probably consider us god level traders, but we're just great chart whisperers. That's it. And you guys can come along and do exactly the same thing. All right. Now, if you want to go ahead and break the rules, fuck around, find out. Well, it is fuck around, find out Friday. Right? Go get you some fuck around and find out. That's it. But my job and his job is to make sure that you guys are able to digest a system that has been designed to be absolutely the most user-friendly system out there that will help you make gains. Yep. Okay? That's it. So, let's see. Want to get some more calls in? Guys, we could get maybe 1 or 2 more calls in.
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Let's have some fun here, right? Let's see if we can get some energy into these streams.
Let's do it. Nicky Ricky says he's going to be watching your videos all weekend. Guys, watch them. I mean, those videos are out there for a reason to help you guys print. I know some of you guys still aren't using the stop loss strategy. It's like, why?
Yeah. Man. But look at Spy go.
It's hunting that 1 minute traffic light right below that 48.
Man. Look at that. So you guys remember how we talked about like your entries are based on 3 conditions: a traffic light, a put or a call signal, or a bounce off a level? This would have been the bounce off the level. That would have been your entry. Now, where's your exit? Your exit would be at a level. Now you broke this level here. So it's interesting. This 13 also coincides with this level. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this out so you guys can see where this level is. Because if you played that bounce now, it's not so much how much money you're looking to make. It's how much money you're willing to protect, right? So focus on not losing money, and then the opposite is true, okay? So here you go. You made your money. How much do you want to protect? You protected here with this level right here, which also happens to be the 13, which also gives you a traffic light. God bless you, fool. Now you got a 48 here that you could defend your profit here, right? And all of this happened based on an actionable entry at a level. You now have another actionable entry at a traffic light. However, you're now going to play the retracement. Playing this retracement, guys, if it comes back down to the 48, you get stopped out, right? But if you're going to play that retracement off the traffic light because it gave you more than you deserve as this candle broke right through, guess what? I'm talking here, goddammit. Guess what? Okay? You just gave yourself 2 trades. You just gave yourself 2 trades, essentially. Right? You got 2 actionable alerts that have given you 2 freaking trades. All right? Now, this is Sean. We're going to get Sean on here.
Winning loser?
We got winning loser here. Yeah, what's going on, man?
Going on? I'm up 9.6% now off this little bounce that we're having. So,
God damn it,
Merry
bro.
Christmas and Hallelujah and all that stuff. But listen, here's the deal. Like, I'm done for the day. I just want to walk away because, like, that's what I need to do. You know what I'm saying? I don't need double digits every day.
Dude. You need to cut this shit out. You need to cut this shit out because I'm absolutely jealous of you, right? Because if you're that kind of guy who's done for the day and is not really right? And not really done for the day. I hate to know how your girlfriend feels when you're like, baby, I'm done for the day. And then 15 minutes later, you're like, oh, let's go. Let's go one more time. Okay, I'm done for the day. One more time. She must love you.
A couple weeks ago, I was on STV's stream, and I told him when I was up. And then, like, I don't know, like 5 minutes later, I get a text from my girlfriend And she's like, I just want to be done with us. And she left me. And I was like, okay, that's fine. I don't really care. Because then she works for a company called iPoint that's a fucking biotech stock company, whatever. And it's a shit stock at the end of the day. And I just thought to myself, well, now I can just scalp the shit out of it. You know what I'm saying? So, because I kind of had a deal, and I told her, because she had, that's her 401k, you know what I'm saying? And she was in at $12 when she first started the company, and it was down to like $3.75, and then it kind of went up, and it had good days and bad days. But,
So your girl left you, and you decided to scalp the shit out of the company that she works for.
Right, exactly. Like, it's all game now. You know what I'm saying? I don't care about your 401 fucking K. I care about my fucking shit. My money now, bitch. But
okay.
So
okay.
The other day,
dude, don't catch a DV, bro. Those are very strong words. You might get bitch slapped for that. All right.
Yeah. I got a date tonight with some guy's wife that I met online, so it's gonna be interesting.
Nice.
And,
You're one of those.
So
oh Jesus.
Oh, dude, are you kidding me? Listen,
man.
During the Super Bowl,
dude, check. Let's see if we can find his fucking profile on Tinder or Plenty of Fish. He met her online.
I'm on FetLife, bro. I love dominating women, bro. I love all that shit. You give me a crop. You give me a nice little, riding crop and some side wrist stuff and some other fun little toys to play with and butt plugs and stuff like that for the girls. A lot of them love it,
Yeah.
So,
okay.
So anyways,
wait. You gonna tell her you're Professor X? Are you gonna tell her you're Professor X?
No, definitely not. But I did want to say, so since I listen to you guys and I trade on my phone, when I call in, like, my stream stops. So after I get off the phone, which is going to be in a minute or 30 seconds, I'm going to be able to, it'll just kick back on and I'll be able to listen to our phone call. So when we were talking about the Professor X thing, and then STV had his little joke, and then you started singing Michael Jackson songs, right? And STV at one point, he goes, did you see what you started, winning loser? And then I'm sitting there at work, and I'm like, I got to be starting something. I got to be starting something. I got to be starting something. I just started singing Michael Jackson songs. It was fucking hilarious, man. Like, you laughing, dude. I couldn't stop laughing after watching that shit, man. Fucking
dude,
epic.
Gabe and I couldn't stop laughing after we stopped the stream, and I had to go immediately into my next stream, and I swear to God, I was damp. I was sweating. I was laughing so hard.
I saw Gabe wiping his eyes. He's fucking like tears coming from his eyes.
I was dying.
It was like,
oh my God. I didn't even get to finish my verse on that Michael Jackson song.
You want to do it again?
I know.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, it's all in good fun.
All right, brother. Thanks for calling in, man.
All right, guys.
Take it easy.
Yeah, you guys have a great weekend, man.
Hey,
yeah.
See you. Have fun with your butt plugs.
Jesus Christ. Later, dude.
That's what they usually say. I was actually banging this one girl, my ex-girlfriend I had for 5 years, and we were fucking one night, and she was like, oh my God, and I just kept pounding her, and I was like, God has nothing to do with this. just having fun, man. It's all. I love just tearing up women, man. I do. I love breaking them down. I love it. So, but anyways,
this sounds like a man who's happy to catch herpes. I swear.
Oh my fucking God, man.
No.
I might have to take you to the playground, bro.
That's fine, man. I'm totally down. Listen, I had the best Super Bowl party of my life. I went to a Super Bowl party, and it turned into like a 3-on-1 gangbang with this Brazilian girl and her boyfriend. No, not at all. No, I mean, I knew it was going to be that way because I had met this couple before, but
how do you
I
know?
just said, fuck it. I don't even really watch football. What's up?
I would just be like, oh, this is how my Super Bowl party's gonna go. Just no.
I mean, listen, the game was on and everything, and we were just sitting there, and she was just loving all three socks and just having fun. And I was making jokes, like I told her that I said, he's the MVP of the fucking Super Bowl. This bitch right here, you're the MVP because you're the most valuable pussy right now. So, anyways, I gotta go. Fucking, I can't get into all this shit.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Hey, brother. When your mother was in labor, she held her breath too fucking long. Jesus Christ, bro. Oh,
dude,
my God.
I'm a kinky motherfucker, okay? Because when I was born and I came out, when my mother birthed me and I came out, my tongue was already out. So I had already eaten pussy before I.
This has gone left.
It went far left. So, anyways, I'm off. I'm out of here. You do your
Later,
thing.
man. Later.
I'm glad to talk to you guys.
Later.
See ya.
Peace. I had to let that one go. Dude. Okay, so can we get back to the charts? Because,
Yes, we can.
Okay, so we got our first actionable play, which then introduced our second actionable play, which then allowed you to start defending your profit from this level. You then get a third actionable play. Whoa. Right? You get a breakthrough of this level. You get the retrace down to the 48, but then it just continues. Now you break above the 200. 1, 2, 3. Those are all actionable entries. All of them. I don't want to say told you so, but
It's too easy, bro. It's too easy.
no, it is too easy. Guys, can you imagine how much play you would get at church if you mastered these charts? Can you imagine that? Like, come on.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, she's running.
Simple. Traffic lights for the win. Again, guys, we show you this every fucking day. That one trade right there makes your day. That's one. You know how many of those there were today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 of them.
That's a $1.34 move on the SPY.
That's filthy.
And she wants more. Okay.
It could. I mean, you're right at a couple of levels here. You got that 405.37, the 405.50, and then 406.
There you go. Look what it's
You're
doing.
right
It's
at the
showing
level.
price sensitivity to the level. Look at it. It's right there. We're done here, man. We do this every day, and you would think that by this point, we would have the world eating out of our hands because we have literally just cracked the code.
Mm-hmm.
Right? You don't need to read those 400-page books. You don't need to do any of that. We just break it down so easy. It is what it is.
Simple.
Simple stuff.
Nothing's going to change about your current situation unless you take action. You want to stay doing what you're doing? You're going to stay in the same spot.
Oh, man. I got a 400-page book coming out soon. Oh, boy, Andy. What's the title? Andy, what's the title?
The title.
Working with Gabe? The horror stories. I think people would like to hear the horror stories of working with me.
With Gabe? Yeah. They're not that bad.
Sometimes.
Well, usually that's because we are usually on the same page. So I'm like, it's fine.
Yeah, exactly. But guys, when I lose my shit, I lose my shit. D's Nuts, the 1348 story. I fucking love it.
Great title.
Yeah. It's your nuts on the cover, STV.
Pre or post wax?
Oh, front and back cover.
Also, if you look at SPY right now, what did we just say? It's at a level. What happened? Stop fucking around. Don't. We will, dude. We run these charts, dude. We know exactly where it's gonna go with the highest probability move every single time.
Ah, filthy. Filthy. And you know, it was at this very moment that when retail chased.
Hmm. Retail fixed it. You know what we did? Because we saw the level right there, automatically printed on the custom charts we give you guys. Probably time to get the fuck out.
That's it.
You don't need to listen to us. You don't need us to come in here and be like, oh, it's probably going to come back down. You see it on the chart. The genie's telling you. The traffic lights, the guys.
Guys, trade1348.com is 14 days free. And we're just gonna bring you on over. We're gonna bring you on over. And we're gonna just like open up the matrix for you. Right? You know, it just blows my mind, right? So I mean, I don't want to compare myself to the most popular man on earth, which is Andrew Tate, right? He's in the world of shit right now, like whatever. But people were actually buying his money-making methods, and they were being taught by 13-year-olds.
Were they?
Yeah. Some of the Discords were being taught by 13-year-olds.
Really?
Yeah. And here we are. It's like, we're showing you how to trade, make money. All right, guys. We are signing out. STV's got 8 minutes before his stream. Go ahead and fuck around and find out with him after.
We're going to have fun over there.
Right? Drop your link in the comments, STV.
All righty. I will throw that in here. There you guys go. Yeah, make sure, again, remember, if you want to be in for the live masterclass this weekend, make sure you reach out to Diana before 4 p.m. today or you're going to miss it.
That's it. You're going to miss it. You want this masterclass this Sunday. You absolutely want it.
It's the final touches to the 1 minute.
That's it.
It ties it up in a nice little bow.
Nice little bow. Wait. Are your nuts in a bow right now?
No.
You want them to be?
No.
I know a girl named Emily.
Do you?
Yeah. Don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should see the other ones. Oh, I haven't shown you the new one yet. You're not like the new one.
Dude, why do you treat women like Pokemon cards?
Because it's what else am I gonna do with my time?
Yeah, you are 23. Just don't get pregnant. Don't get married. Live your best life.
Exactly.
All right, guys. Let us all live through STV right now.
I'm gonna behave myself a little bit this weekend. I think. I say that now, but who knows?
No, I honestly think you need to give us a story like winning loser. We need something epic. We need some epic shit like that.
I've told the Discord a few of them. When we used to drop in there at night, I'll tell you guys some. Maybe I'll have one for you guys. I might have one.
Sweet. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're signing out.
Peace.
Peace. Jesus Christ.